you're not just doing this around your specific tools, right? The theory that you give these
Hmm.
people about the environment they're in, and when they're using these tools, what type of potential hazards could be introduced to the individual themselves. I'm just not aware that that's out there anywhere else, from some of the other big manufacturers, right? And so when it comes to the tool safety side of things, what's the, I guess, ammunition behind the message, right? Like, why you? Why did
Yeah.
Bierer Meters step up and say, listen, we
Mhm.
got to get people educated about how these things really work and what potential hazards are being introduced to themselves if they aren't using these things the right way?
Well, that's a great question, and there's some history
Okay.
behind that. That's actually it's beautiful. It's poetic. It's an amazing story, honestly. What happened is when I started traveling around the country for about the first 6 months. It didn't take long. And when I was traveling and doing the training, it was basically focusing on the tools. And after about 6 months, it was about this time. Wow. It was about this time 8 years ago. And I came to the folks and I told them almost, I think it was July, 8 years ago, July. So it's almost to the day. I came to the folks and I said, look, I said, I'm out there and basically I'm showing our tools to these folks, our customers around the country, and we're showing how they use. But I'm hearing about incidences. I'm hearing through the grapevine, people getting hurt, people losing body parts, people not returning home ever again, moms losing their husbands, the children losing their dads. And I said, it's just got to stop. And I said, I'm not a salesperson, anyways. And I said, look, let me go around the country, start doing lineman safety and tool training for 6 months 8 years ago. And I said, if the customers like the training, if they see benefit in the training, and it's focused on safety and understanding knowledge, then, and if they like it, then I want to start doing this from now on. All right. So my dad, Walter Beer, Joe Beer, at the time, my sister, she retired. My sister, who was working the company, my nephew works here, and they agreed. Let's give it 6 months and see if there's
Mm-hmm.
fruit, see if there's benefit for our customers. And of course, our name gets out there. That's fine. That's a
Right.
byproduct, right, of the main thing. So let's just try it. So after 6 months, Mark, I barely had time. I was not hardly at home. I mean, except for the weekends. And for 7 years, well, for 6 years, there'll be a little more story later on about what happened next. It's evolving. So for 6 years, it's like I'm traveling, I'm gone from home a lot of times through the summers, away from my wife, away from my children, and I'm on the road doing this training all around the country. We could put a full page ad in a magazine. Okay, you'll get some recognition, a little expensive, or we could go to the next step. We could be the full page ad in front of their face. That's what we did for 6 years, solid. And because we're a family company and we don't have bean counters, because we don't have stockholders to where any profits has to be moved into their pockets, we're able to do this as a small little company of probably a little less than 30 employees. We're able to do this and make a huge impact on our industry. So that's kind of where all this started, the tool training part.
Well, I'll tell you, I can't, I think, say enough or thank you and your family enough for the sacrifice you're giving and the product that you're giving back to our industry. It's second to none. I'm not aware, again, I'm not aware of anybody out there in the industry, tool company, that is giving back the way you guys are. And I think what's even more impressive is the fact that you do it at no cost to the customer. You do it essentially not for Bierer Meters, but for the right reasons, right? You're out there
Mm-hmm.
because it's one thing to do tool safety around your tools. It's another thing to
Mm-hmm.
give the industry and the customer tool safety around the theory no matter what product you're using. So it doesn't matter if you're using a Bierer Meters voltage detector
Don't
or you're
matter.
using a Salisbury voltage detector or you're whatever the case may be, the theory behind the process is all the same. And so can't thank you guys enough. Really appreciate what you're doing when it comes to tool safety in our industry. So kudos to you guys for that.
Appreciate it, Mark.